Hello, day 9 of March Madness. This is one of my all-time favorite ways to teach extension. I find that the elevation up on the ball and the pressure down onto that flex ring really helps you to understand how to organize your body into extension. So heels are pushing to the wall behind you. With your exhalation, when the tummy engages, press your pubic bone forward into the ball, slide your armpits away from your ears, and you'll slowly come up and your flex ring will push down automatically. And then slowly relax, the flex ring will come back up and you can relax over the ball. And exhale, lift your tummy, reach out through your heels as you slide the armpits down. Think of smiling your collarbones wide as you come up and then slowly coming back down. We'll just do one more there for you, lifting the tummy, feeling the pressure through the pubic bone, the slide of the armpits, and that lengthening right through the crown of your head. And then slowly coming back down. The added bonus here is you can just let your hands come to the floor, bend your knees, and you can just hang over the ball and just give your body a nice releasing stretch after all that hard work.